Aitc TV Lone Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Baganet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakirdob Ying Jompi
Uba George B. Lyngdoh ubolong Chief Whip Jong Kaliang Persya hakala asking ublay jong kakan reuteri ujumang arajar puar ulakam baka All India Trinamool Congress kadai kaseng sang partai ka Kiew Stet bha kene ke jela Meghalaya katkum ke jinga tho jong Uba George ka parti kalanang penkhai kisnat rekam haki live hoteli nakin riu hoteli ki blok tang hapo kini ki saubnai blawan ra kene ka parti na ka jela West Bengal ha kene ke jela Meghalaya.
This is the fastest growing party in the state as of now, because in the number of blocks that we have been able to form and expand within 3 to 4 months time, and surprisingly we've got a lot of inquiries and a lot of people coming forward to support the party, and I would say that this is the fastest growing party in the state. We have crossed 30 combined. We got 60 constituencies, so at least within 3 to 4 months time for a party like TMC to step in and to be accepted by the people is really remarkable with the speed at which the people are accepting the party. The leadership led by the party president Sri Charles Pongo and also by the parliamentary party leader Dr. Sama. Both these leaders have got the confidence of the people. That's why the party is moving fast. I can't say because how far this will actually fructify, because every party will try to increase the number of sitting legislators to go to the next election. So there are also swapping of MLAs from amongst the parties who are already there in the coalition government. So amongst them also there's poaching amongst the parties who are there in the coalition government. So obviously they'll try to poach people from the opposition also, and especially Aitc has got a number of illustrious leaders who have been vocal for the people and who have stood for the people in the past 4 years. So that exercise they'll try, but then how successful that would be, that we will see. The prospect of the Aitc will be with the people. We turn to the people, and as being said by our party leadership, the individual does not matter. What matters is the party, what matters is the people's support, and that's why we are moving ahead in many constituencies, is because even though we don't have any sitting member in those constituencies also we are getting a lot of support. So that itself shows that a lot of people have a lot of aspirations and hope from this party. For those people who do not know the history, the link between Khasi Hills and Bengal, for them, I think it is just a political narrative to show that it's a Bengali party. Now we have a BJP, which is a Gujarati party. People are then we're seeing some narratives before that NPP is a Garo party. So how has that helped the political parties? Now even if TMC is being called a Bengali party, obviously its roots is Bengal, so there's nothing wrong in that. But then to taint a party like that, I think it is undemocratic. It goes against the constitutional values, because again bringing in the kind of feeling of division amongst in the country like India, tagging any party like Bengali or Garo or Khasi or Jaintia, I think it is going against the democratic values. So as a party, even though the roots are in Bengal, and knowing the rich history and connect both social, economic and religious connect between Khasi Hills, Jaint Hills, Garo Hills and Bengal, people should look into that rich history first before they comment. As leaders of the party, we are proud of the connect between Khasi Jaint Hills and Bengal, which we will slowly try to make people aware and recall our rich history, and at the same time I feel then people will be proud that we have had such kind of links with previous leaders, with both social and religious leaders who have been very, very instrumental in shaping up the birth and also the growth of our state. We have already expanded in many constituencies and blocks in Khasi Hills. So I think the unacceptability will be for those who don't want us as a party, who don't want us as leaders. So who've been continuously supporting the kind of activities that the current government is going through. So obviously these are narratives that political, the opponents will definitely throw in order to, put a stop on the efforts of that our party is, putting on for its growth and organizational strength. Efforts will be there, but then finally it is up to the party leadership to take the call.